This is a vision a man of God, Prophet Graham, saw concerning Tanzania.
Vision. It was the day of 23rd of November 2025. And what he saw a group of ants, a small group of ants that were eating people. But that group was eating people, but later on he saw those ants are against themselves. They begin to eat themselves. And he said, he began to saw that vision that the ants began to eat themselves.
Hebu sema wao kwa wao. Wao kwa wao. Hebu sema wao kwa wao. Wao kwa wao. Mtumisha uogopi, ndio hivyo tunavyosemaga hivyo hivyo. Ndio inakuwa hivyo. Asema Bwana. Haya tunakuja kwa lugha za hizi. Baba karibu.